Welcome back, explorers, to another exciting edition of GBJ Weekly. I'm Savannah and Andrea, alongside my co-host Andrea Travis.
We're at science camp. We're going to take you guys on a quick tour of Pathfinder Ranch. Let's go. This is the Smith Hill Lodge. This is where the girls' cabin is. This is the Rocky Wreck, and let's go take a quick look in there. This is the climbing wall. Help me! This is the boys' cabin. I've never been in here, but I heard that it smells like farts. This is the teacher's cabin. We're not allowed in here except teachers. This here right here is where we took a hike. This is the health center, and if you come up here, hopefully you don't have to visit here. The dining hall and where we breakfast today. I'm on a boat, GBJ. Now I'm gonna climb that wall. We're doing archaeology. Check out this artifact.
Pathfinder Ranch is an amazing place to go.
There are so many activities you get to do here.
You can rock climb, canoe, and go horseback riding, and even make fire.
You could be an archaeologist, learn about animals, and we even got to go on a hike.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner is awesome. We get to learn new things to get ready for the state test.
I hope everyone watching this gets a chance to attend Pathfinder Ranch.
I'm Jason Ellison from a mountain, coming to you with the PBIS skill of the week. This week's PBIS skill is working with others. For this skill, there are 4 steps. Identify the task to be completed. Assign tasks to each person. Discuss ideas in a calm, quiet voice, and let everyone share their ideas. Work on the task until completed. This week's location expectation is the office. Always be respectful, responsible, be willing to learn. Normally we have to just spotlight, but we're going to be interviewing our amazing naturalist.
Can you tell us your name?
My name is Small Fry.
My name is Lobo.
My name is Socks.
Yeah, my name is Boots.
I'm Instructor J.
My name is Jellyfish.
My name's Fly.
What made you want to be a naturalist?
I used to work here as a summer camp counselor, and then I got invited to become a naturalist because I had so much fun with kids during the summer. I was like, why not just do it all year round?
What made me want to be a naturalist was finding a deep love that I have for nature. And I also really like working with kids because you guys get to experience a lot of really cool things for the first time. And I find that's really, really exciting to see how you guys react to a lot of things.
I love being outside, and I also love working with kids because you guys are so curious and ask the coolest questions in every single class.
I've been working with kids for a really long time, doing a summer skateboarding program, and I've always been really interested in the outdoors. So this was kind of like a perfect way to combine two of the things I really like doing into one and still make a living.
I worked for their summer program with their horses, and I just fell in love with the program, and I love teaching. So I was asked to join the naturalist in a naturalist position, and I fell in love with the job.
I've studied environmental science for most of my life, and I like to share it with the kids and with my coworkers. And I learned a lot of new things by starting to work here.
What is one thing that you love working up, what you love doing here?
I love working at Pathfinder because we offer so many different classes, as you guys saw this week, that there's kind of something for everybody. So whether or not you just want to do something outside that's fun, like canoeing, or whether or not you really want to get into the science of things and talk about energy, I feel like there's just so many different classes and activities.
I think what I love most about Pathfinder Ranch is all of the animals we have. So all of our horses and reptiles are really, really cool to interact.
My favorite thing about Pathfinder Ranch is just getting to live up here. It's really beautiful. The sunsets, the sunrises, and definitely the horses.
I love the environment that I work in. It's just really beautiful place to work. And then also the energy that the kids bring into camp. I feel like it just keeps me young working here because everyone's having fun, and then I'm having fun, and it just energizes me to work with kids. And in education, I think the curriculum is really cool because like all the nature facts and stuff I'm into also.
I definitely love working here and like living with all my best friends and being able to teach all you guys brand new things and watching you guys have so much fun.
Pathfinder Ranch is so cool because we get to teach classes that you would normally do outside, and you get to use the environment around you in order to teach your classes and teach the kids about different things we have here. It's pretty cool. My favorite thing is my coworkers. For the most part, I love each and every single one of them, and they are here for the same reason I am, which is just to teach and educate. And they make this place for sure.
What is your favorite class here?
I'm still not proficient in all of them yet, but I really like forest eco. And if it's later in the week, I think I would like canoe because it's really relaxing.
This one's super easy. My favorite activity is canoeing. I love watching you guys slowly figure out how the paddles work and watching you guys trying not to tip over.
Ooh, I think my favorite activity is definitely horseback riding. And then if I had to pick a favorite class right now, it's definitely forest ecology.
I think my favorite class would probably have to be animal class, where we get to see the reptiles.
One of my favorite classes is animal class because before I am never going to own that many cool animals myself in my life. So I love hanging out with the snakes and the reptiles. But I also really love the forest class because it's all about systems and ecology.
My favorite activity is horseback riding, obviously. A lot of our classes we teach different things like ecology. They'll learn about forest and how different things work together. We get to show the class animals. We have a lot of reptiles here and get to talk about different adaptations and the different cool things they do. And then we also do rec, and kids get to see horses, go on canoes, that whole thing. It's just super cool to have a different type of educational classes here at Pathfinder. That's what I would say.